Hello, everyone! In this video tutorial, we'll guide you on how to check deleted messages on Messenger. Let's get started. If someone messaged you but deleted it before you could see it, and you want to retrieve it, follow these steps. Open the Messenger app on your mobile device and tap on the menu button located in the top left corner of the screen. A left sidebar will appear. From the sidebar, tap on the gear icon, which represents Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on the option called Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Download Your Information and then choose Download or Transfer Information. From here, select the Facebook account connected to your Messenger, then tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. Choose specific types of information and checkmark the Messages option. You can also choose other options if you're comfortable. After making your selections, tap on Next. On the next page, select Download to Device option. On the next screen, choose your email, format, media quality, and date range. Then tap on Submit Request. They will email you when everything is ready to go. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.